Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to clean your nostrils easily. This will be a full tutorial for absolute beginners, so let's get right into this instructional video. These right here are your nostrils, okay? This is your nose. The inside right here is where your nostrils are. And you can clean these really easily. Now, I'm not a professional or anything, but this is like how I clean my nostrils. If I'm sneezing a lot, or if I'm, around dust and I want to clean out my nostrils, this is kind of what I do. Really, really quick and easy, okay? All that you need is access to water, okay? And I have a sink over here, and you need somewhere where you can kind of do this in private because you don't really want to be doing this in a public place. Looks kind of gross if you're doing it like in public, so maybe in a bathroom or something like that, okay? So anyways, very, very easy to do. What you're gonna do first and foremost, and I'm just gonna do this with, I'll do it with both my nostrils. I was gonna do it with one, but I'll do it with both because it's quick and easy. You're going to get your finger, any finger, but really your index finger is probably the best one that you can use, and you're gonna put it under running water, okay, or dip it in a glass of water, not a glass that you're gonna drink, but like a body of water somewhere, okay? So I'm gonna take my index finger, and I now have water in it, and I'm just gonna go, I'm gonna go and clean my nostril like that. You're gonna wanna do this 3 times, okay? That's once, twice, 3 times, like that, and I'm gonna do the same thing with the other nostril, okay? Very simple. Once, and I'm rinsing my finger every time. Twice, and 3 times, just like that, okay? Now, it doesn't have to be like, you're not digging for gold in there, you're just giving it a little rinse, and what that does is 2 things. Number 1, it's going to moisten up the nostrils, which will loosen up anything that's sort of in there, whatever, use your imagination, anything that's in there, okay, any boogers or anything like that, any dust particles, it's gonna loosen them up, make them easier to come out. And also, it's gonna help you breathe a little bit better for this next step, which is very simple. You're gonna breathe in, plug one nostril, and blow out, okay? And what that's gonna do is that's gonna blow out anything that's caught in there. Now, I'm not gonna do this hard. You would do this like with a good amount of pressure, but I'm not gonna do this hard because I don't have any toilet paper around me or anything like that. But obviously you're gonna blow you're blowing your nose into toilet paper essentially. Or, you can do it in a sink, anything like that, as long as you can clean it up after. So you're gonna go breathe in, plug a nostril, and breathe out with force, and that's going to clear it out, okay? Same thing with the other one. Breathe in, plug a nostril, breathe out with force. Now, like I said, I'm not doing it hard because I don't want to clean it up over here, but essentially, that's basically, that's how to clean your nostrils easily. Very, very simple method, and it works really, really well. And if ever I'm sick or anything like that, my nose is stuffed, I use this method and it clears out my sinuses, at least temporarily until they get clogged up again. And that is essentially it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you like this instructional video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.